Leonard here. Leonard, the first thing that stands out to me is the blue of your seats. They're beautiful.
Caribbean blue.
I love it. And look at the top. Look at this. It's gorgeous. So tell us about how you put this together. Did you do the same thing? Did you guys kind of...
No, I bought this new in 1981.
It's an 81?
I'm a one owner.
Wow.
So I've had it ever since it was new.
Wow.
In 2014, I decided to restore it. And brought it up here to Toy Box Jeeps in Holly Hill, Florida. And
Toy Box Jeeps, Holly Hill. Holly Hill's close to here?
that's the next town north of Daytona.
Okay, we'll just give them a shout out in case anybody's interested.
And we brought it down here, and about 16 months later, we got our dream.
And I love the color. The cream color goes so well with the blue. Look at the front end. It's gorgeous. What year did you say this is?
1981.
This is the 81. Okay. Was that the JKs? Was that the JKs or JOs?
That's called a CJ8.
CJ8. Okay, I heard about that
It's
one.
the same as the Scrambler that he had,
Okay.
except I did a little bit different.
I'm going to have to put a little link down bottom when I do this so people can go in and see the difference. So your windshield and all is that it came like that.
Yeah.
So he had to make his to change his windshield wipers. I got it. This is so clean. This is so clean. So I love this because people who aren't Jeepers, like a lot of people get in my Jeep and they'll see like the little shifter on this side, where yours is a longer one on that side. And that's just like the putting 4L, 2L, getting through the mud and all the stuff that we do. And was it a 6-speed?
4-speed.
4-speed. It's a 4-speed.
Got the original 4-speed.
And he's got it chromed out. Look at that. Got the little chrome going on. This is really sweet. This is nice. This is nice. This is where I would just drop my Cane Corso, my 2 rock wallets back here, drop my grand goddaughter in there, and we'd be gone. That'd be it. We're good to go. All right. Thank you, Leonard.
Thank you
It's
very
a pleasure.
much.
Did we give Leonard a sticker?
I got the sticker.
Got the sticker? Okay, you're putting your on wherever you want to put it. But we'll be growing. We'll be doing more stuff as we go. I just got that in October, so I have some more. It came as it is. I got really blessed. But yeah, we're going to do the safe travels to you. Thank you so much.
Very much.
All right, here we go.